Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this functional equation which is from USAMO 2023. It's problem 2, and as Donald Trump said, even I can solve this, so we kinda guessed that it's easy problem. So let's start. Let's call f1 some c, and now if we put ones we get f c plus 1 equals to c plus 2. Okay, based on this, we can guess that answer should be fx equals to x plus 1 or something like this. Okay, just keep this in mind. Now we will put x equal to 1 and we get f y plus c equals to f y plus 2. And if we keep doing this, so imagine that y equals to y minus c plus c, we get that f y plus c times n for some natural number n equals to f y plus 2n. And now let y equal to 1 and x equal to c, we get f c plus fc equals to c squared plus 2. And since we have this, we get that this equals to fc plus 2. So we get that fc equals to c squared. Remember this. Now let's put this and we will get fcn plus fc which is equal to ffc plus 2n from this claim, and we also know that this is equal to c squared plus 2n from this, and in the original we get that this is equal to cfn plus 2. So from this we actually get that fn equals to c squared plus 2 times n minus 1 divided to c. Now let's put c plus 1 and 1. So we get f c plus 1 plus c plus 2 equal to f 2c plus 3. So this is same, of course, and this is equal to c squared plus c plus 2. And also we know that f 2c plus 3 equals to f3 plus 4. Also from this, and we know that f3, so here f3 equals to c squared plus 4 divided to c. So we get that this equals to c squared plus 4 divided to c plus 4, which is equal to c squared plus c plus 2. Okay, from this we have c squared minus 2 equals to 4 divided to c. So this is same as c minus 2 times c squared plus 2c plus 2 equals to 0. So of course this is more than or equal to 0, actually more than 0. So we get that c equals to 2. So since c is f1, we get f1 equals to 2. This is our first claim, and our second claim will be that we will prove that fx equals to x plus 1. Okay, so let's put this. Let me copy the original equation. Okay, so after putting this, we will get f x y plus 2x plus fx equals to x fy plus 2x plus 2. Now this is because right here we had this, so we know this, so let's copy down. Since c equals to 2, we get that fy plus 2 equals to fy plus 2. So that's the reason why we get this. And if we subtract this and this, we get that fx plus xy plus 2x equals to fxy plus fx plus 2x. So we see that these two are the same here. So we can choose y such that xy plus fx could be equal to anything. Let y equal to z minus fx divided to x. Okay, so we get that z is any integer in real positive numbers. So we get that f z plus x equals to f z plus x for every x and z. So we can switch places. So let x be z and let z be x. So we get f z plus x also equal to fx plus z, which was equal to fz plus x. So we get that fx minus x equals to fz minus z for every x and z, which means that this is constant. Okay, so fx equals to x plus c for some c, and we know that f1 equals to 2, so we get that f1 equals to 1 plus c, so we get that c equals to 1. So our final answer is fx equals to x plus 1. And of course we have to check this so we don't lose any points in the Olympiad. So we get xy plus x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to xy plus x plus 2, which is true. So we get that fx equals to x plus 1 is the only answer. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, and comment down below which problem you guys want me to solve in the next video. Goodbye.